Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning Surah Al-Bayannah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. لم يكن الذين كفروا من أهل الكتاب والمشركين. Lam. For fatha upon jaws attached mim will get sif of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Yeah is soft. For fatha upon jaws. Ku for dhamma, circle lips, the sound is short. Nil. For kasra give e sound and then attach with lam. Lam will get sif of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. La. For fatha upon jaws. The you have to put your upper side of your tip of your tongue under the frontal two teeth. So the, and make it two counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws. Ka for fatha upon jaws. Fa, give hams in fa for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Ru, ro is heavy. Whenever ro is with dhamma, it is heavy, and you have to circle your lips for dhamma and make it two counts long. Uru, min for kasra, give e sound, attach it. Noon will get sifa of tawassut, and the tawassut is medium flow of sound. And hukmuhu idhar here. Min Hamza is very sharp. For fatha upon jaws attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of raqawa, and raqawa is flow of sound. Lil for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Ki for kasra give e sound. Ta two counts long, and the sound is very sharp. There should not be any flow of sound here. Ta bi for kasra give e sound. Well for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and make sure that makhraj of waw is circling your lips. You are not using your teeth to touch the lower lip. This is a wrong way to say wow. To say wow correctly, you have to circle your lips. And for fatha upon jaws attached with lam, lam will get sifa of the wasat. Mush. For dhamma, circle your lips. As you will touch sheen, sheen will get sifa of raqawa, and it has the washi. And your lips should be in a straight position because sheen has sukoon, not dhamma. So keep your lips straight as you will touch sheen. Ri for kasra give e sound. Ra is light here. Ki two counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws. Mu. This is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light because fa is among the light letters. So your mouth should be ready to say fa, and you will hide the sound of noon. This is ikhfa, and you will keep your sound in your nose. Mufakkina. Fa, give hams for fatha upon jaws attached with kaf. Kaf will get sifa of shidda here. Ki, two counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws. Hat, ha is from your throat with hams for fatha upon jaws attached with ta. Ta will get sifa of shidda, and shidda is no flow of sound. Hatta, ta will be two counts long then. Ta, ta is sharp, and then it is attached with the sharp letter, and that is hamza. So there should not be any flow of sound, but the sound will cut off very abruptly. Ta, T for kasra give e sound. Yeah is short. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Hu for dhamma circle lips, the sound is short. Mul for dhamma circle lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. As you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position. Bay. Uh, Whenever there is ya or wow with tashdid, you will give nabar, and nabar is jump of sound. When you are attaching ba with ya, here you are giving nabar. Bay. This is not shadida. You are not stressing it. You are not putting extra effort on it, but you are just giving a jump of sound. Bay. It will increase the softness of ya more. Bay. E for kasra give e sound. Na. For fatha upon jaws attached with ha. This ta will change into ha whenever you will give sukoon, and when it will be turned into ha, it will get sifa of raqawa, and raqawa is flow of sound. Na. لم يكن الذين كفروا من أهل الكتاب والمشركين منفكين حتى تأتيهم البينة. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha, it is heavy. Su for Dhamma, circle ellipse, and make it 2 counts long. And make sure that this long vowel, this 2 counts long vowel, should not go in your nose. It should stay in your mouth. Su, ra, su, lum, idgham with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Me for kasra, give e sound. Nallah, keep noon light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Nallahi for kasra, give e sound. Yet, yeah, is soft for fatha upon jaws attached. Ta will get sif of hums, and hums is flow of breath. Yet, when what is hums? You are putting your tongue on the makhraj of ta, and when it has shidda here, then you release you will detach the ta the tongue from your palate, and when it is detaching a little, there is a force of breath behind it, and that comes out. This is called hums of ta. Yet this sound, this should not be heard like seen. It should be heard like yet lu for the circle lips, and make sure your mud is not going in your nose. Lu in your mouth. Lu. There is a great difference between lu and lu. So the second is wrong. Lu. Su. Sad is heavy for Dhamma, circle ellipse, the sound is short. Hu, have from your throat with hums for Dhamma, circle ellipse. Fam, idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Mu for Dhamma, circle ellipse. Oh, Ta is heavy. For ha, you will give rakhawa. Ha, for fatha upon jaws. Ra. Ra is heavy. As you will touch, you will give sukoon on this circle ta. You will change it into ha, and ha will get sifa of rakhawa, and rakhawa is flow of sound. Mutahhara. رسول من الله يتلو صحفا مطهرة. Fi, give hums and fa. Hums is flow of breath. Make it 2 counts long. Ha, 2 counts long. Hu for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Tu for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Boom. This ikhfa is heavy because qaf is among heavy letters. So when you are making this ikhfa, your tongue should be lifted up nicely. Kutubun qay. Qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached with ya. Ya will get sifa of nabar. You remember we discussed it. So it will get nabar. Qaf is when you are attaching qaf with ya, here you are giving nabar, and nabar is jump of sound. Qay. E focus give e sound. Ma for fatha upon jaws, and then we are changing this ta into ha because of the waqf, and this ha will get sifa of rakhawa then, because and rakhawa is flow of sound. فيها كتب قيمة. Makhraj of wow is circling your lips for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Ma, 2 counts long. Ta, very sharp sound for fatha upon jaws. Fa, give hams and fa. Attached with ra. Ra will get sifa. It will be heavy, and it will get sifa of tawassut. And tawassut is a flow of sound, medium flow of sound, and it's very short. It's not long. Fa, ra for fatha upon jaws. Ra will stay heavy when it is attached with fa. It will stay heavy when it has fatha. So both ways it should stay heavy. فرقل. Qaf is heavy, fatha upon jaws, attached with lam. Lam will get sifa up tawassul. And la for fatha upon jaws. The 2 counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws. Oo. Hamza is very sharp. Make it for dhamma, circle ellipse. Make it 2 counts long. Oo. Tul for dhamma, circle ellipse. It is not any more long, but ta is attached with lam. For dhamma, circle ellipse attached with lam. Lam, as you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position and lam will get sifa of tawassut. E for kasra, give E sound. Ta 2 counts long. Ba for fatha upon jaws. Il Hamza is very sharp for fatha. For kasra, give E sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. La 2 counts long. Mim for kasra, give E sound attached with mim. This is iqlab. You're changing the sound of noon into meme. Iqlab means to change. So you are changing the sounds. You're changing the sound of noon into meme, and it has gunna too. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Meme ba. For fatha upon jaws attached to the ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut and it should be from your throat nicely. Ba. Di. For kasra, give E sound. Ma. 2 counts long. Ja. 4 counts long. Mad muttasil wajib. At for fatha upon hamza is very sharp. Attached with ta. Ta is sharp too. No, it's not sharp here. It has humps. Humps. At the final state, it will get humps. At who for the circle ellipse. Mul for the circle ellipse attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and as you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position. Bay. Nabar. E. Na. Focus to give E sound and attach with ha because it has turned into ha, and ha will get sifa of rakhawa. وما تفرق الذين أوتوا الكتاب إلا من بعد ما جاءتهم البينة. ومخرج الواو circle in your lips for fatha upon jaws. ما 4 counts long. مد منفصل جائز. U for the circle lips. Mi for kasra, give E sound. Uru. Mad munfasil jais, make it 4 counts long, and for dhamma, circle lips and make ra heavy. Whenever ra is with dhamma, it is heavy. Il hamza is very sharp. For kasra, give E sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and then it will be 2 counts long. Illa la 2 counts long. Li for kasra, give E sound. Yeah. Yeah, soft for fatha upon jaws attached to the ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut, and ain should be from your throat nicely. Yeah. Boo. For the circle lips, the sound is short. Do. Keep dal light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because there is dhamma before it. Do. 2 counts long. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is always long. Ha for fatha upon jaws. Muh for the circle lips attached with kha. Keep meme light but kha heavy, and kha will get sifa of rakhawa, and kha will be heavy. Mukhli focus, give E sound. Sleeze, make sad heavy, make it 2 counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws. La for fatha upon jaws. Hood for the circle ellipse attached with da. Dal will get sifa of shidda. Hood. D 2 counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Hu give hams, and for the circle lips, ha should be from your throat nicely. Hu. Na for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Fa give hams in fa and make it 4 counts long. Mad muttasil wajib. A for fatha upon jaws. This hamza should not be merged into this mad letter. It has a very clear, nice sound of hamza. Hunafa a wa for fatha upon jaws, and for waw circle lips. You for dhamma circle lips, and keep ya soft. Qi make it 2 counts long and make Qaf heavy. Mus for Dhamma, circle your lips. Keep Mim light but Sad heavy. And as you will touch Sad, your lips should be in a straight position. Mus, Sa, Sa. Sad will get, when you are attaching Mim with Sad will get Sifa of Rukhawa and it has Safir. Safir means whistle sound and it is heavy. ص في Fatha, the sound is short, but keep صاد heavy. La, 2 counts long. Ta, for Fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Makhraj of waw, circling your lips for Fatha open jaws. You, for Dhammas, circle your lips, attach with ya. As you will touch attach with Hamza. As you will touch with Hamza, your lips should be in a straight position and the sound will cut off abruptly because Hamza is among Shadid letters. You to Z. For Dhamma, circle your lips, attach with Za. As you will touch Za, your lips should be in a straight position. Za will get Sifa of Rokhawa and it has Safir and it is light. To Z. Z. For Fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ka. Because of the waqf, you are giving temporary sukoon on this ta, so it will be changed into ha now. And this temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarit li sukoon. Zaka. Makhraj of waw, circling your lips, fatha open jad. The 2 counts long. Li, for kasra give e sound. Ka, for fatha open jad. D, 2 counts long. Nul, for Dhamma, circle ellipse attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Qay, Qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached with ya. Ya will get sifa of nabar and nabar is jump of sound. When you are attaching Qaf with ya, here you are giving nabar. Qay, Ye, for kasra give e sound. Ma, ha is changed into, ta has changed into ha because of the waqf. وما أمروا إلا ليعبدوا الله مخلصين له الدين حنفاء ويقيموا الصلاة ويؤتوا الزكاة وذلك دين القيمة